This is Mr. TikTok. If you are tired of Google Chrome eating up all your RAM, Opera seems to have the answer. They made the first gaming internet browser. It's called Opera GX. What a gaming name! First of all, you are going to be able to throttle your CPU and RAM usage. That's a really good feature if you ask me. If you are gaming or doing some power hungry work like editing, this can really come in handy. You guys don't know how many times Google Chrome has made me crash when I am doing something that consumes a lot of RAM. Not just that, it's going to have a lot of customization options. You can pick any color for the border of the browser window and any background as well. It's going to have Twitch built into it, so it's going to tell you when every time someone you follow starts a live stream. Then like the regular Opera, it's going to have built-in VPN and built-in ad blocker. I will leave the link down below so that you guys can try it if you want to. Thank you for watching. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time.